Hi, I'm Lauren, your Osha expert. Today, I want to explain a little bit about some of the metrics that you can find on your PSO control panel, namely the top 3, top 20, and top 100 metrics. So what do these mean? The top 3 basically is the average amount of keywords that's ranking in the top 3 of search results. So I know it's a bit confusing. You might see some decimals. That's because it's the average between Spotify and Apple. So for instance, this show has one keyword that's ranking in the top 3 with either Spotify or Apple. So that's the average is 0.5. Same thing with the top 20 and top 100. These are just getting a little bit more of a broader view and looking at the top 20 search results versus the top 100. So I hope this explains it a little bit better, and you can find all of this at the PSO Control Panel. Happy podcasting!